The pressure to accelerate innovation has never been greater. According to Protolabs 2024 Product Development Trends report, 53% of product developers report that they're bringing products to market faster than ever before, and 82% are continuously looking for ways to compress development timelines even further. What's particularly interesting is that economic uncertainty hasn't slowed this push for speed. The same report found that 58% of developers say economic conditions have minimal impact on their development pace. Innovation waits for no one, not even a challenging economy. Why does speed matter so much? First, it's about competitive advantage. When companies launch ahead of the competition, they don't just win early adopters, they win market share. Take SharkNinja, for example. Their ability to rapidly develop and launch innovative consumer products has fueled their growth, helped them expand internationally, and made them a dominant player in the home appliance market. As their CEO puts it, their speed and innovation strategy are core to their success, breaking down the knowledge barriers. Despite this imperative for speed, most organizations face significant bottlenecks in their development process. At the heart of these challenges is a knowledge management crisis. The average knowledge worker spends 20% of their time, that's a full day each week, just searching for the information they need or recreating information that already exists somewhere in the organization. For engineers and product developers, this translates to countless hours hunting through shared drives, email threads, and disconnected systems. There's also the growing challenge of tribal knowledge loss. An engineering manager at a global industry manufacturer recently told us, "When our senior engineers retire, it's like a library burns down." With approximately 30% of manufacturing workers over 50 and approaching retirement, preserving their expertise has become critical. Silos remain another persistent barrier. A Deloitte study found that 83% of digital maturing companies leverage cross-functional teams, compared to just 55% of companies at early stages of digital development. Information trapped in departmental silos creates blind spots and duplicative work. Finally, complex approval and review processes create significant drag. A cognitive study of product development found that each handoff between functions introduces an average of a 4.5-day delay and increases the risk of information lost by 31%. Despite these challenges, forward-thinking companies are finding ways to dramatically accelerate development while maintaining quality. A leading consumer electronics manufacturer formed a multidisciplinary team for a new smartwatch, bringing together industrial designers, hardware and software engineers, supply chain managers, and marketers in a single location. This approach shortened their development cycle by 40% compared to their previous product, with team members reporting an improved knowledge sharing, eliminated rework, and accelerated decision-making.